So this is the question asked. It has 3 stages and 1 independent source and 3 dependent sources. So here what is asked means compare the overall voltage gain of the cascade amplifier shown in below with and without stage 3. So here to find are the overall voltage gain with and without stage 3 and also the comparison. So comparison of those, and based on that we can find the importance of the stage 3. So first let us derive the voltage gain with stage 3. So voltage gain with stage 3. So here is the circuit. So here first VI1 value. So VI1 we can find by voltage divider rule. So by voltage divider rule. So VI1 can be found by VI1 can be found by, so here from the supply voltage is there, no? So from here by applying voltage divider rule, the value of VI1 will be Vs into 1 meha divided by 100k plus 1 meha. That is the voltage, what is the voltage VI1, which is nothing but the voltage across this 1 meha ohm resistor. So 1 meha ohm we are putting here, and here denominator we put the total resistance. As these two resistors are in series, these can be added to find the equivalent total resistance. Okay, so this is the value. So when we find this value, it is of, so this value will be 0.9091, because 1 milli meha ohm is nothing but 10 power 6, and this 1 meha ohm also 10 power 6, and this 100k, that is 100 into 10 power 3. Okay, so we get 0.9091 Vs. This is what the value of Vi1. Then we go to the second circuit, which has, here the input is 10 Vi1 and here the output is Vi2. Same, by applying same the voltage divider rule, the voltage will be, that is, next we apply voltage divider rule for the second circuit. We get Vi2 which is equal to 10 Vi1 into 100 kilo ohm divided by 1 kilo plus 100 kilo. Okay, so 10 into the value of V1 we were found already as 0.9091 Vs into 100k divided by 1k plus 100k. So what will be the answer for this? When we calculate the same, we get the answer as so Vi2 is nothing but 9.0009 Vs. This is what the value of Vi2. Now again, okay, so here for the third circuit, this is the input and this is the output. Again we are applying same the voltage divider rule. So by the voltage divider rule, the value of Vi3 will be, so the value of Vi3 will be 100 Vi2 into 10k divided by 10k plus 1k. So the value will be, so Vi2 we found it as 100 into 9.0009 Vs into 10k divided by 10k plus 1k. So we find the value of Vi3 as 818.264 Vs. So now next, again, okay, again with the circuit, this is the last circuit. Here Vi3, that is 1 Vi3 is the input and VL is the output. Again we are applying the voltage divider rule. So again by applying voltage divider rule for the fourth circuit, we get VL is equal to 1 into VI3 into 100 divided by 10 plus 100, okay, which is equal to VI3 we already found it as 8818.264 Vs into 100 divided by 100, that is 110, which is equal to 743.88 Vs. So what we want? The voltage gain. What is voltage gain? Which is nothing but the output voltage divided by input voltage. So here is the output voltage and here is the input voltage. So what is the required voltage gain? Here it is with stage 3, which is equal to, which is nothing but VL divided by Vs. VL divided by Vs, we get it as 743.88, and here as it is voltage by voltage, the unit will be volts per volts, or you can write it as unitless, everything is same only. So this is what the value of the voltage gain with stage 3. Now we will find the same circuit, the same circuit's voltage gain, but with stage 3, without stage 3, okay. So here the circuit here is there. Now I will draw the same again without stage 3, okay. So initially the circuits will be the same. So plus minus. So this is 100 kilo ohm. This is 1 mega ohm. This is Vs. Here it is Vi1. So these and all will present only, because we want to eliminate only the stage 3. So remaining no values and the circuits will be the same as above, okay. 1 kilo ohm, here it is 10 Vi1. Next stage, the end of stage 2, here it is, that is plus minus, this is of 100 Vi2, so 1 kilo ohm. So see here, so what is the stage 3 containing? One resistor, one dependent source, I think it will be shown here. So what does the stage 3 has? It has the one resistor of 10 kilo ohm, one independent source, one dependent source, and one 10 kilo ohm. These three has to be taken out. So what will happen? After this 1 kilo ohm, these three stubs will be taken out, and this 10 ohm is there, no, it will be added here. So the final circuit will be like, so after 1 kilo ohm we get the 100 ohm, because stage 3 is completely eliminated, okay. So this is what we get it as VL. So for the same we should find what the voltage gain. Already we have found Vi1, which is Vi1 we have found as 0.9091 Vs. There will be no change. Here also Vi2 there will be no changes at all. So Vi2 we found it as 0009 Vs. After that this circuit will be changing. So after this, for this circuit only I am applying again the voltage divider rule, okay. So when I am applying a voltage divider rule, the VL is equal to, this will be 100 Vi2 into 100 divided by 100 plus 1 kilo ohm, which is nothing but 1000 ohm, whichever you can put, okay. You can put like 1k or you can put like 1000 ohm, which both are same. So 100 into Vi2 value, it is 9.0009 into Vs into 100 divided by the value will be 1100. So if we calculate the same, we get the value as 81.83 Vs, which is equal to VL. So what is the voltage gain? That is output divided by input. So voltage gain, that is without stage 3 is nothing but VL divided by Vs equal to 81.83. okay, this is the value we are getting. So now we have to compare. So for the comparison we can find either the deviation, okay, deviation in we can find the deviation in volt, or we can find the deviation with unitless, or you can find the deviation in percentage. We can do. As we are comparing, we can get the comparison in terms of unitless, as you can get the deviation in terms of percentage. So both we can see. Okay, so if it is like unitless, so the percentage difference, okay, the difference unitless. So del AV, I am putting it as del AV, which is nothing but AV with stage 3 minus AV without stage 3. So AV with stage 3, we got it as 743.88 minus 81.83. So the comparison, the voltage gain difference will be 743.88 minus 81.83. So we are getting it as 662.05. This is of unitless comparison. That means AV without stage 3 is 62.662.05 times lesser than the voltage gain with stage 3. Okay, this is unitless. So if you are going with percentage comparison, so how it will be coming as, so percentage del AV we can find it as, so del AV divided by AV without stage 3, which is nothing but the formula we are getting is AV with stage 3 minus AV without stage 3 divided by whatever comes here will be coming here. So AV without stage 3. Okay, so when we apply the values in this formula, we get it as 743.88 minus 81.83 divided by 81.83 into 100. So what value we are getting? 809 percentage. So this is del AV. That means, which indicates that what is the conclusion means and also the importance. Okay, what we can write is, with stage 3, the value of the voltage gain is increased by 809 percentage when compared to the voltage gain without stage 3. So this is the importance of stage 3. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section.